welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing another hacks video. So I'm going to show you guys how you take a regular triangle bikini, literally everyone has one of these, and how you style it, or I guess wear it 5 different ways. And then I'm also going to show you guys a little clip right here for each bikini and show you guys what it looks like underneath, because obviously when I'm styling it on camera right now, I'm gonna have a tube top on underneath. Okay? I'm going to jump right into the video. I'll see you guys in a second. Started. So for hack number 1, you are going to take your bikini like this. So you'll just have it right side up. Just have it right side up like this. And then you'll take it and you'll tie it in the back. After you tie it in the back, you'll have these kind of 2 strings kind of hanging down. And what you'll do is you'll go like this. And then you'll create a nice little bow moment. So that is the first style. Okay? On to number 2. Okay, so for hack number 2, you'll take the bikini like this, and then you'll pull it all the way out like this. And then you'll kind of loop it over, or I guess not loop it over, but throw it over your shoulder. And then what you'll do is you'll obviously tie these in the back like this, and then you'll just tie the strings in the front like a bow, like so. And I honestly love this style if you don't have large boobs, because I don't have large boobs at all. I think the style really pushes up your girls if you don't have a lot. And that is this one right here. Okay, on to number 3. So for the third bikini hack, you are going to flip your bikini upside down like this. And then you are going to use what would be like, what would go over the shoulders. You're gonna tie those behind your back. I hope I explained that well. Okay, once you have that, you should have a little moment like this. And then you'll go like this, and you'll cross it over. And then you'll tie it in the back. And then this is what this one would look like. This is probably one of my favorite ones and my go-to when I go on vacay. Okay, on to number 4. For number 4, you'll have the bikini like this, like you normally would. And then you are going to tie it in the back. This is very similar to the first hack I showed you guys. And once you do that, you will take this part and then you'll cross it under, and then you'll tie that in the back as well. Okay, and this is what this one looks like. This is very similar to the first one. But of course, instead of doing the bow, you'll cross it to the back. Okay, for the 5th and final hack, what you're going to do is you'll go ahead and tie a knot like you normally would when you're wearing the bikini. Like when you're putting it over your shoulders, you go ahead and tie it right there. And then you'll just kind of stretch this out and put it over your shoulders like so. It'll just look like this. And then you'll crisscross it like this in the back. And then you'll tie a knot. And this is the 5th and final hack. Super, super cute and super easy. Alright guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, don't forget to subscribe and follow me on my socials. I will link my socials down below in the description bar. And also, I would love to know which hack was your favorite that you saw today. And yeah, I think that's it. I'll see you guys next time. Have a lovely, lovely week.